Good morning, students. I am Ajay Kumar Mishra from Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology. Today, I am going to teach you about unit number 4 of radar and TV engineering subject. This is unit number 4, and we are going to cover the topic of deflection oscillators and sound system circuit. So, let's start. First of all, we will talk about the deflection oscillator. What are the deflection oscillator? So these are basically an oscillator which will give a deflection of vertical and horizontal type. In deflection circuits employing vacuum tubes, the magnitude of R is quite large because of high plate resistance of the tube. Voltage wave shape in vertical deflection coils is trapezoidal and is rectangular in horizontal output circuit. So if we will talk about the vertical deflection coils which will gives the vertical deflection, then the wave shape at the output is trapezoidal type, and for the horizontal circuit or horizontal deflection coil, the output is of rectangular type. Actual movement of the electron beam in a picture tube is controlled by magnetic fields produced by the vertical and horizontal deflection coils. For vertical deflection, the frequency is 50 Hz, and for horizontal deflection, it is 15625 Hz. So there is a major difference because for the vertical deflection, it will deflect the waves vertically around the y-axis or around the amplitude, and if we are talking about the horizontal deflection, then the deflection oscillator will deflect the wave horizontally around x-axis, and it is the axis which require more frequency than the vertical deflection. So here is a circuit diagram of a horizontal deflection circuit. Here we can see the input of the signal and the output of the circuit. The signal is being input and got on the output. So we can see that there is a horizontal driver which is a transistor, and it will taking input from horizontal oscillator, and then it will giving the output at the horizontal output node, where it is being it is being together with the signal from coming to the uh, 12 kilovolt supply, and the uh, coils are arranged in proper manner to give that supply, and all of the circuit is being grounded very well, and all the components are placed very well in this circuit. So at the output side, we are able to get the signal which is going towards the video output, and this is due to the help of the horizontal deflection circuit. So next is vertical deflection circuit. Here the signal or the wave is deflected vertically. So in this circuit, the transistor T1 will do the work for the vertical deflection, and then the second transistor T2 will do the work for further processing of the waves or the signal. So and then it will given towards the deflection yoke, and it will create the deflection in the signal, and all the components are arranged in the vertical deflection circuit very well, and the ground is also very well, and there is a control circuit which will give the hold on the signal deflection values, that how much signal is being deflected vertically. So this type of circuit is being used for vertical deflection of the wave. The driving waveforms thus generated are applied to power amplifiers, which provide sufficient current to the deflecting coils to produce a full raster on the screen of picture tube. The oscillators used in both vertical and horizontal deflection sections are these are the some of the oscillators which we will use in both vertical and horizontal deflection sections, such as blocking oscillator, multivibrator, complementary pair relaxation oscillator, overdriven sine wave oscillator. Multivibrator are quite a famous type of oscillator which we will use in both vertical and horizontal deflection circuits. Sound system circuit. Sound is becoming increasing. This is the second topic. System circuit. Sound is becoming increasingly important in television. The sound supports the image and adds another dimension to make the viewer feel more involved. So sound is very much important along with video signal. TV sets come in mono, stereo and hi-fi type. Properly installed loudspeakers send the sound forward. Higher quality sets have low frequency speakers that send their signals sideways, and also have much smaller high frequency speakers placed somewhere in the lower parts or to the sides of the set. As low frequencies travel in all directions, we all know low frequency speakers do not need to point at the viewer, so they can be placed anywhere. This is a diagram of an audio system. Here the IC1 and IC2 are important. IC1 is the amplifier, and IC2 is a power amplifier. So here the C7 capacitor will do the work for all the circuit, and the signal is being forward towards the IC1, and then it will being also given to the IC2, and then from the IC2 it will given towards the speaker at the output. So in this section we are learned about how the sound system works, what's the sound system diagram, and about the all deflection circuits, whether it's vertical deflection or the horizontal deflection. This is for today's lecture, and we will meet you again in next lecture. Till then, thank you.